Chers participants, bon après-midi à vous tous et bienvenue au premier cours de la formation d'aujourd'hui sous le nom Maîtriser l'anglais IGCSE Compétences pour passer l'examen. Donc, le premier cours d'aujourd'hui se tournera autour de Introduction to the IGCSE Program, Introduction to IGCSE English as a Second Language, Examination Structure and Assessment Criteria, Reading comprehension skills, skimming and scanning techniques, identifying main ideas and specific details, vocabulary in context, and reading comprehension practice. Tout cela avec Dr. Sourad Shraghi, membre du corps professoral de l'Université Midocean. Accordons maintenant la parole à Dr. Sourad. Dr. Sourad, la parole est à vous. Vous pouvez commencer votre formation.
Merci à vous, Malek. Bonjour à toutes et à tous. Donc, c'est avec un grand plaisir que nous vous accueillons aujourd'hui dans la formation Master in IGCSE English, Skills for Exam Success. Nous vous remercions de votre présence, de votre motivation et de votre engagement dans cette aventure d'apprentissage. Donc, chers participants, je vais commencer donc la formation. Donc, here, as you see, you have course overview. Okay, so Master in IGCSE English Skills for Exam Success. Duration of the course, 5 sessions, length 90 minutes per session. Okay. So the goal of this training period is to prepare students for the IGCSE English examination by developing reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills while building confidence and exam techniques. Session 1, understanding the IGCSE exam and reading skills topics covered. You have introduction to the IG program, introduction to IG English as a second language, examination structure and assessment criteria, reading comprehension skills, skimming and scanning techniques, identifying main ideas and specific details, vocabulary in context, and reading comprehension practice. By the end of this session, you will understand the IG examination format, apply effective reading strategies, and answer reading questions confidently. In session 2, so we'll talk about vocabulary and grammar for examination success. The topics covered academic and examination vocab, word formation and collocation, verb tenses, sentence structure, Lincoln words and connectors, modal verbs, common grammar mistakes, and grammar practice activities. And at the end of this session, you will learn how to improve grammatical accuracy, expand examination vocab, and produce clear and accurate sentences. Session 3, you have writing skills, essays, emails, and articles. Topics covered: characteristics of effective writing, essay writing techniques, formal and informal emails, articles and reports, paragraph organization, Lincoln IDs, planning, drafting, and editing. Learning outcomes. You will learn how to organize ideas effectively, write different text types, and use appropriate vocab and grammar. Session number 4, listening and speaking skills. Topics covered. We have listening strategies, listening for specific information, note-taking techniques, understanding opinions and attitudes, speaking confidently, describing pictures, expressing opinions, pair discussions, and presentations. At the end of session number 4, you will learn how to improve listening comprehension, develop speaking fluency, and communicate confidently in English. So session number 5 is about examination practice and revision. Topics covered, as you see, you have examination strategies, reading practice, writing practice, listening practice, speaking practice, and common examination mistakes, mock examination, and feedback. Learning outcomes. So you will learn how to apply examination techniques, manage time effectively, and perform confidently in the IG examination. Course learning outcomes. By the end of the course, you will be able to understand the structure of the IG English examination, apply effective reading strategies, use accurate grammar and vocab, write various text types successfully, improve listening and speaking skills, use examination techniques effectively, and perform with confidence in the IG English examination. So, dear participants, welcome again, and let's get started here. We're going to start with the first session, and the title of today's session is Understanding the IG Exam and Reading Skills. Session objectives. So by the end of this session number 1, you will be able to understand the IG program and its objectives, as I said. So become familiar with IG English as a second language, identify the components of the examination, understand assessment criteria, develop essential reading skills, apply skimming and scanning techniques, identify main ideas and specific information in text, and answer reading comprehension question effectively. Okay? Now, you have the introduction to the IG program. We're going to start with the definition of IG, Cambridge Assessment International Education, importance of the IG qualification, international recognition of IG certificates, and skills developed through IG studies. 2, you have introduction to IG English as a second language. The topics are course aims and objectives, importance of English communication skills, language skills assessed, real-life applications of English, and benefits of studying English as a second language. 3, we have introduction to reading skills topics. Okay, so what is reading comprehension? The importance of reading in the IG examination, types of text in the examination. You have examples, articles, emails, reports, advertisements, web pages, and magazine texts. 4, reading strategy. Part 1, you have skimming topics, definition of skimming. purpose, identifying the main idea and reading titles and topic sentences. The activities that we're going to do together, we have short reading texts, identifying general ideas, and multiple choice exercise. 5, you have reading strategy 2, scanning, topics, definition of scanning, finding specific information, looking for dates, numbers, names, and facts. Activities, example, information search exercise, timetables, advertisements, and notice and announcements. 6, reading comprehension practice topics. We're gonna read short texts, identify main ideas, find supporting details, answering comprehension questions, and understand vocabulary in context. Vocabulary development, topics, vocab in context, new words from reading passages, synonyms and meaning, and using vocab in sentences. Activities, you have vocabulary matching, sentence completion, and word building exercises. And number 8, you have exam strategies and tips. Topics, reading in questions first, underlining keywords, managing time effectively, looking for synonyms, and checking answers. Exam tips, read instruction carefully, focus on keywords, use information from the text only, avoid copying unnecessary information, and review answers before finishing. Okay? Good. Now, guys, so dear participants, let's get started. Here you have the introduction to IG, okay? And IG, English as a second language. We're going to start with the definition. So I'm going to explain to you, so here, what do we mean by IGCSE? So what is IGCSE? What does it refer to? So IG here stands for, as the abbreviation, so the I, international, G, general, C, certificate, S, secondary, and E, and education. Très bien, d'accord. Okay, so here, okay, so I was talking about IG, okay, here, what is, so introduction to IG and IG English as a second language, okay? So what is IG? As I said, IG stands for International General Certificate of Secondary Education. So it is an international recognized qualification designed for students aged 14 to 16 years and is offered in schools around the world. So the IG program develops critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, independent learning, international awareness. The IG qualifications are accepted by universities worldwide, college and higher education institutions, and employers in many countries. So what is Cambridge IG? The Cambridge IGCSE is developed by Cambridge Assessment International Education, part of the University of Cambridge. So it offers more than 70 subjects, including mathematics, physics, biology, chemistry, English, information technology, business studies. The program prepares students for A-levels, international baccalaureate, IB, university studies, and future careers. Okay. Now, what is IG English as a second language? So the IGCSE English as a second language, ESL or ESL, is designed for students whose first language is not English. So the course aims to help students communicate effectively in English, develop practical language skills, use English confidently in academic and everyday situations, prepare for further education where English is used. The focus is on communication rather than literature. So this is what I mean by IG English as a second language, okay? So in general, so it is designed, as I said, for a student whose first language is not English. Now, what are the skills assessed in IGCSE? So the examination assesses for language skills. So you have number one, as you see, reading. Okay, so students learn to understand texts, identify important information, and analyze ideas and opinions. Number two, writing. Students learn to write emails, articles, reports, and summaries. Also, you learn how to organize ideas clearly and use appropriate vocab and grammar. Listening, so students learn to understand spoken English, identify specific information, and take notes effectively. Also, students learn to express opinions when speaking, participate in conversations, and speak fluently and confidently. So here you have the an example of the examination components in this table. So you have the component reading and writing. You have reading comprehension and writing task. Listening, the skills tests. You have understanding spoken English. Speaking, optional in some here centers. So you have oral communication. Okay. The assessment objectives here, so students are assessed on their ability to understand information and ideas, select relevant details, communicate clearly, use appropriate vocabulary, apply accurate grammar, and organize ideas logically. Okay, so dear participants here, so here let's see together why study IG English as a second language. Why is it important to study, okay? So studying English IG helps students, or it helps you to improve communication skills, build confidence in English, prepare for university studies, develop academic English, enhance career opportunities, and achieve an internationally recognized qualification. Okay, so you have many benefits when studying, of course, IG English as a second language. Now, dear participants, we understand that what the IG program is and the importance of English as a second language. So we can begin developing the first examination skills, as I said, so which is reading, okay? So reading is the first examination skill. As you know, reading is an essential component of the IG examination because it helps students understand information, identify key ideas, and answer questions accurately. So in this part of the session, I mean today's session, the first session, we will learn two important reading techniques, which are here you have skimming and scanning, which will help us read texts more efficiently and perform successfully in the exam. So, before answering questions in the IG exam, students need to know how to read strategically, okay? So, good readers don't read every word carefully from the beginning. Instead, they use specific techniques to find information quickly and understand the main ideas. So today we will start with two important strategies, which are scheming, as I said, and scanning. So scheming and scanning. Reading skills, okay. Here, this is part 2, which deals with reading skills for IG English as a second language, okay? So let's talk about the objectives here. So here at the end of the session, of course, you will learn how to understand the purpose of reading in the IG exam, apply scheming and scanning techniques, identify main ideas and supporting details, answer comprehension questions correctly, and develop exam reading strategies, okay? So let's start up with this activity here, dear participants. So here we have warm-up activity. So this activity is for you. We have discussion questions, okay? Here, I have, let me read the questions for you. Question number 1, do you enjoy reading? 2, what do you usually read? 3, which is easy, reading in Arabic, French, or English? Question number 4, what difficulties do you face when reading English texts? Okay, so you can raise your hands, guys, now, dear participants. So please raise your hands to answer these questions. Who wants to start first? Participation, okay. Yeah.
Ok, pour ceux qui veulent participer à l'exercice, veuillez s'il vous plaît lever la main ou répondre via le chat. For those who want to participate, you can raise your hand or write your answer in the comment below.
So who wants to start?
Ok, il y a une remarque que les participants qui ne participent pas à la formation, elles ne vont pas avoir leur certificat. Il faut participer, hein.
So, do you enjoy reading?
Okay, Khalid. Ok, Khalid Assadani, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Khalid Assadani, the mic is yours.
Right.
Yes,
Thank you very
Khalid.
much.
Okay.
Thank you, Malak. Thank you, Doctor, for the presentation. It's really interesting. All right. So to answer your first question, do you enjoy reading? Yes, I do. What do you usually read? Since I'm working in technical field as a software engineer, I mostly read technical articles, documentations for some specific technical tools, development languages, and so on. For the third question, which is easier, reading in Arabic, French, or English? So I think the order is already correct. So I prefer reading in Arabic first, then in French, since Morocco is francophone, and in the third place, English language.
Khalid, you are from Morocco?
Yes,
are you from Morocco? Okay, yes. Nice to meet you.
Me too. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Yeah. Okay, you are welcome. Yes. Okay. So you said that you can speak English very well and you read technical articles as you are an engineer. Also, Khalid said that he likes reading Arabic, English. What about French?
Yeah, French. I also read articles in French because I'm working in Belgium, and Belgium also speaks French. So
okay.
Yeah. And for English, I use English in my daily work, but only technical English, you know, some discussions, some daily stand-ups, and so on.
Like because business English, okay, business professional English, okay. So, Khalid, what difficulties do you face when reading English text?
Actually, the difficulties I face when reading English text is some vocabularies that the first time I discover, so it's hard for me to understand their meaning. Also, when the sentence is too long, it's difficult for me to get the meaning from the sentence. I need to make an extra effort.
Can you tell us, Khalid, so what do you do when you don't understand a word. Suppose that you are reading an article on, of course, the internet, or you are reading a book and you didn't understand a word. So tell us, what are you going to do?
Yeah, my first step is to use some translation tools. I will
Yeah.
translate the English word to the language that I understand, Arabic or French. Then I will put this translation into the context of the original English text. Then I could absorb the meaning of the sentence. So yeah, I do the translation. Then I put the translation into the context in order to get the meaning.
Excellent. Okay. So do you use dictionaries?
Online dictionaries, I use DeepL, almost DeepL. Sometimes I use
Oxford,
some
why not Oxford Dictionary?
yeah, because DeepL is enhanced by artificial intelligence. So
Okay.
sometimes it enhances the meaning by adding more context to the translation. Unlike the classical dictionaries like Oxford, you see only the explanation. That's why, and also the accessibility. Using online tools is always fast than looking into the paper dictionaries or in the PDFs.
Okay, thank you very much, Khaled, for your participation. Okay, so let's move on to other participants now. Okay, so please raise your hands. You have warm-up activity.
Okay, for those who want to answer the question, you can raise your hand or write the answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire votre réponse via le chat. Donc, nous avons Solahedine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Solahedine, the mic is yours. You have the access to the mic now.
Yes. We're waiting for your answers.
Solahedine. Please activate your microphone. Veuillez s'il vous plaît allumer votre micro. Okay. You can write down your answer in the comment below. Just write it down. And for the rest, what for the rest?
So enjoy reading here, guys. So I think all of you like reading, okay?
We will pick randomly if you don't mind, doctor.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah, okay. Let's select some participants, okay?
Moana, the mic is yours. Moana, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question. Please answer the question below.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, welcome.
For the question one, do you enjoy
so first
reading?
Of all, what's your name and where are you from?
Come again. I didn't hear you.
Sorry?
Hello.
Hello, I said, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Monadija from Comoros.
Okay, welcome. Nice to meet you. Welcome to today's session. Okay, so do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you usually read?
Fiction about and thrillers also. About romantic things.
Yeah.
Dark romance sometimes.
Okay, so can you tell us which is easier for you, reading in Arabic, French, or English?
Really all, but I can read the three languages. fluently.
You can read, sorry? What did you say?
I can read the 3 languages fluently.
Okay. Any difficulties when reading texts? No?
Pardon me?
I said question number 4. What difficulties do you face when reading English texts? Do you face any difficulty?
No.
Okay, so no. Good. Yeah, okay, thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for all of you. Now, let me continue. Now, I continue. Okay. So, what is reading comprehension here? What is reading comprehension? As you know, reading comprehension means understanding ideas, finding information, identifying opinions, and understanding vocabulary in context. Okay, so I repeat, when you read a text, you're going to understand the ideas, find the information, identify the opinions, and understand the vocabulary in context. In the IG exam, students may read, as I said, so articles, emails, reports, advertisements, magazine texts, and web pages. Okay. So reading strategy here, number 1, you have schema definition. So it means reading quickly to understand the general idea of a text. So how to skim? So read the title, read the first sentence of each paragraph, look at repeated words, and ignore difficult words. Okay, so at the beginning, so the first thing to do is, of course, you're going to read the title of the text. Also, you can read the first sentence of each paragraph and look at repeated words. So this helps you to understand, of course, the main idea of the text. Donc, reading strategy, I repeat, okay, so we're talking about definition here of scheming. Okay, I said it means reading quickly to understand the general idea of a text. Okay. How? So you read the title of the text first. You read the first sentence of each paragraph. You look at repeated words and ignore difficult words. Okay. So reading strategy 2, which is scanning definition. So scanning means looking for specific information, like when reading your text, you look at dates in the text, times, numbers, names, and places. Okay. So here, guys, we have an example. Example, okay, you have school trip information. Sorry. So school trip information. For example, you have date 15 July, departure 8 a.m., destination Science Museum, return 5 p.m. and cost $20. Okay, so I have questions for you. When is the trip? Where are students going? And how much does it cost? So raise your hands quickly, please, okay?
For those who want to answer Dr. Swat questions, you can raise your hand or write it the correct answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Swat, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Let's go with Hamza. Hamza, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Hamza, the mic is yours.
Yes, Hamza.
Ok, tout le monde doit participer pour avoir le certificat de participation. car s'il n'y a pas de participation pour la formation, personne n'aura le certificat. Hein. Ok, Hamza? J'ai un problème avec ça. Ok, essayez d'écrire votre réponse via le chat. Try to write your answer in the comment below. Let's try Ali Sharif ou Mikidar. On va essayer Ali Sharif ou Mikidar. The mic is yours. La parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Ali Sharif ou Mikidar.
Ali, quickly, please, okay? Guys, so you have simple questions here, okay? So, when is the trip? Who wants to answer? Raise your hand, please. When is the trip? The date of the trip. Khalid,
Okay,
are you here, Khalid?
we have Fouad Ali.
Okay.
Fouad Ali, the mic is yours. Fouad Ali, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro.
The trip is 15 July.
Good. So the trip, as you said, is in 15 July, okay? Where are the students going, Fuad?
The students are going at Science Museum.
Going to a science museum, okay? And how much does it cost? Give a full answer.
$20.
So give me full answer. I mean full sentence, okay?
A full sentence.
Yeah. You say the trip. The trip costs us?
The trip costs $20.
Yeah. Is it expensive?
No. It's
No.
cheap.
It's cheap. Okay, good. Yeah, okay. Thank you for it. Thank you. Okay, so here you have another example. Okay, reading comprehension practice. This is healthy eating. Reading.
Ok, pour ceux qui veulent participer, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire. Veuillez s'il vous plaît lever la main, pardon. For those who want to participate, please raise your hand. Okay, we got Khalid and others.
Yes. Yeah, start reading.
Antoine Zali Swalihi. Okay, the mic is yours. La parole est à vous, vous avez accès au micro. Antoine, veuillez allumer votre micro. The mic is yours. Okay, let's move on to Khaled. The mic is yours. Khaled, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro.
All right. Thank you, Malak. Yeah. Healthy eating habits. Many teenagers eat fast food several times a week.
Many teenagers.
Okay. Many teenagers eat fast food several times a week. However, doctors recommend eating more fruits and vegetables because they provide important vitamins. Drinking enough water and exercising regularly can also improve health. Students who eat healthy meals often have more energy and better concentration at school.
Okay, excellent. So, Salah ad-Din, okay, would you like to read? Yeah? Yes, Salah ad-Din.
Solahedin, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Solahedin, the mic is yours. You have the access to the microphone.
We have Ali. Antoine Ali.
Antoine's only have mic issues. I don't know why.
Okay. So, okay. So let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna read again for you guys. So healthy eating habits, okay? Many teenagers eat fast food several times a week. However, doctors recommend eating more fruits and vegetables because they provide important vitamins. Drinking enough water and exercising regularly can also improve health. Students who eat healthy meals often have more energy and better concentration at school. Okay, so let's start here. You have questions. Part 1, multiple choice. Who recommends healthy eating? Wants to answer? Question number 1. Who recommends healthy eating? Teachers, doctors, or parents? I need your answers, dear participants.
Okay, for those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write the answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Okay. Wadi Abubakar, why don't you give it a try? Wadi Abubakar, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Wadi Abubakar, the mic is yours. You have now the access to your microphone.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Now I'm on the road. I can speak on the microphone because I'm on the road to go at home.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to Fouad. Fouad Ali.
Ok, Fouad Ali, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Fouad Ali, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone.
The question is who recommends healthy eating? B. The doctors recommends healthy eating.
Doctors recommend healthy eating. Okay. 2. What do fruits and vegetables provide? Fouad.
Fruits and vegetables provide
Full answer, please. Full answer. Give me full answer. Une phrase complète.
vitamins.
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 You say fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, okay? How often do many teenagers eat fast food? How often? Fouad, according to the text. How often do many teenagers eat fast food? Look at the text. Quickly, Fouad. Or someone else, if you don't know the answer, you can raise your hand. So, yeah. How often do many teenagers eat fast food according to the text? The answer in the first line, okay? Yeah, Fouad. Someone else?
Okay, for those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write the answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Salahuddin, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Salahuddin, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone now.
How often do many teenagers eat fast food? Yes.
Thank you. Sorry for the problem because I have some problem with my microphone, but now it's okay.
Okay.
To answer how often too many teenagers eat fast food?
Yeah,
they eat,
according to the text, the answer is in the text, yes?
They eat fast food several times a week.
Okay, what about you, Salahuddin? So do you eat fast food? Do you usually eat fast food?
No, I'm not a fan about fast food.
Yeah, so what do you eat healthy food? Like vegetables, fruits? Yeah, tell us.
Yeah, I try to eat healthy food, but as we know here in Comoros, even though we live in a tropical country, but
Yeah.
still difficult to find fruit and vegetable to eat. But I try to do my best.
Okay. What improves concentration? Look at the text. Salahuddin, so look at the text. The last two lines of the text. Read the last two lines of the text.
Okay.
Quickly, please, quickly.
Drinking enough water and exercising regularly can also improve health.
Yeah, and what improves concentration? Continue.
Students who eat healthy meals often have more energy and better concentration at school.
Okay, so do you agree, Salahuddin? So do you agree or disagree?
Totally agree with this statement.
Okay, good. Very nice. Okay. Now you have a vocabulary activity. Okay, you have the word and the meaning. Okay. So let's read the word and the meaning, Salahuddin. So I continue with you. Read, please, the word and the meaning of each word.
Okay.
Number one, you have recommend.
Recommend
Means
advise.
Okay.
Vitamins, substances needed for health.
Okay.
Concentration, ability to focus.
Okay, next.
Improve, make better. Energy, strength.
Okay, good. So, of course, all of these words, okay, these new words are in the text, and we have already given the meaning of each word. Okay, now make one sentence using each word. Salahuddin, so you're going to make a sentence, choose a word, and make a sentence using it. Choose any word and make your sentence. Yes.
I have to use all of them or just one of them?
No. Choose one, only one, and make your sentence, please. Okay.
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 I recommend people to eat healthy food.
I mean, I advise people to eat healthy food.
Yeah.
Can you give me another example? Use another word. You can choose from the meaning or the word or the meaning too, okay?
Okay. To gain strength and have more concentration, it's better to take vitamins.
Okay, and eat healthy food too?
Sorry?
And eat healthy food too, yeah?
Yes.
And healthy lifestyle. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I continue now. Okay, now I move on to point 7. Okay, you have IG exam tips. So before reading, read the questions first. Underline keywords. This is before reading. Now you are reading. While reading, look for synonyms. Highlight important information in the text and use context clues. After reading, check your answers. Answer in complete sentences if required and manage your time. So it's very important to follow these exam tips. Okay, of course, I'm talking about the reading comprehension part of the IG exam. Okay. So here you have a homework for next time. You're gonna write a short article about health, education, or technology. Okay, so choose here a theme to talk about. You're gonna talk about health, education, or technology, and write the main idea of the article. Find 5 new words, write 3 comprehension questions, and answer your questions. Okay. Now let's move on. We have another passage, another text to read. The rise of online learning, okay? So I'm gonna read the text for you once. So the title of the text or the passage here is The Rise of Online Learning. Over the past decade, online learning has become increasingly popular around the world. Advances in technology and widespread access to the internet have made it possible for students to study from their homes, libraries, or even while traveling. Many schools and universities now offer online courses allow learners to access educational materials at any time. One of the main advantages of online learning is flexibility. Students can study at their own pace and choose when and where they want to learn. This is particularly useful for people who work full-time or live far from educational institutions. In addition, online courses often provide recorded lectures, discussion forums, and digital resources that can be accessed repeatedly. However, online learning also presents several challenges. Some students find it difficult to stay motivated without direct contact with teachers and classmates. Others may experience technical problems such as poor internet connections or lack of suitable devices. Furthermore, studying alone requires good time management skills and self-discipline. During the COVID-19, millions of students worldwide were forced to continue their education online. Although many schools have now returned to traditional classroom teaching, online education remains an important part of modern learning. Experts believe that future education systems will combine face-to-face teaching with digital learning methods. Okay? So many educational specialists argue that technology should support teachers rather than replace them. Teachers continue to play a vital role in guiding students, encouraging participation, and providing feedback. Therefore, the future of education is likely to involve a balance between technology and human interaction. Okay, so is the text clear for you? I have read a passage, okay, about the rise of online learning. Okay, so now let's move on to the comprehension questions. Okay, exercise number 1, you have a short quiz here, multiple choice. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1, what has made online learning more accessible? You have A, higher salaries, B, better transportation, C, advances in technology and internet access, and D, more teachers. I need your answer, guys, now. Please raise your hands. Who wants to answer? Question number 1. Quickly. Quickly, please,
If
okay?
you want to answer Dr. Swat question, you can raise your hand or write down the correct answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Swat, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Let's try Mohamed. Mohamed, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone now. Mohamed, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Mohamed. Okay. Up. Start nap time. Adirou Ahmed, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone now. Adirou Ahmed, pardon. La parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Adirou. Okay, let's move on to Khaled. Khaled, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone. Khaled, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Khaled, veuillez s'il vous plaît activer votre micro. Khaled Dani.
Yeah, Sadani. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, my answer for the first question, what has made online learning more accessible, is the advances in technology and internet access.
Thank you. Question number 2, you continue. So, which advantage of online learning is mentioned in the text? You read all the options and you give us the right one.
Yeah. All right, so first option, lower examination grades. B, greater flexibility. C, shorter school years. D, free textbooks. According to the text, the advantages of online learning that were mentioned in the text are greater flexibility. We've seen that the online learning provide greater flexibility for the learners. I think that's the first, the only point.
Okay, so the right answer is B, greater flexibility. We continue. What problem do some students face?
Okay. Usually students face the problem of
read the options, please, and give
Yeah.
us the right one. Yes.
A, too many teachers, B, lack of motivation, C, expensive uniforms, D, large classrooms. Yeah, from these options, the problems or challenges that the students face are a large classroom. Sometimes
large classrooms. Check your answer, please. Okay, so I said, what problem do some students face? I'm talking about online education or e-learning. Okay.
Okay, so I thought that was this question is related to the problems that the online learning resolve, because actually in the regular education the classrooms are large, but the online education or the online learning can fix this issue.
Okay. So according to the text, okay, so do they face lack of motivation because of, for example, the lack of face-to-face contact with their teachers, yeah, and with their classmates?
Indeed, yeah, that's a good point indeed.
Yeah, lack of motivation.
Yeah.
During the COVID-19, students stopped studying completely, traveled abroad, C, continued their education online, or changed schools. So what did I talk about? COVID-19. Yeah.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, students continued their education online.
Online, yes. Okay, they continued their education online. Exercise 2, answer true or false. Number 1, read.
Online courses can only be accessed at school. False.
False. So according to the text, so they can be accessed at home.
At home.
Or libraries too, yeah?
Yeah. Or even while traveling.
Yeah. Number 2, read sentence number 2.
Some students have technical difficulties. That's true.
Such as?
As
it is mentioned in the text. Yes.
Yeah, like the lack of suitable devices. Poor internet
connection. Yes. Okay, good. Sentence number 3.
Experts believe online learning will disappear in the future. That's false.
False. Okay, so what do they expect?
They expect that the use of online learning will increase in the future.
Good. Okay, so and here we're talking about modern. We can call it modern education. I'm talking about learning. Okay, good. Teachers remain important in education. What do you think? So, true or false?
Yeah, true. Of course.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, excellent. Okay.
Thank you.
Short answer. Answer the questions using information from the text. Why is online learning useful for people who work full-time?
Right. The online learning is useful for people who work full-time because the flexibility. They are not obliged to go to the site in order to get courses. They can get courses everywhere, from home, from work, from libraries, and so on.
Yeah. Okay, so you mean courses are available everywhere?
Indeed.
Yeah, they have recorded courses too.
That's also a good point. Yeah, that's one of the advantages.
Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, the same point here at Midocean University, of course, we provide you with online courses and recorded courses too, PowerPoint presentations, yeah?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, good. Okay, so question number 2, what skills are necessary for successful online learning?
Okay, that's a good question. What skills are necessary for successful online learning?
Yeah,
I
would
think
you like to go back to the text?
that was mentioned in the last paragraph text, the
Yeah,
self-discipline.
okay, so let's go back and read the last paragraph. This one, I think. Okay, the next one.
I think another one.
Another one, okay. So not this one, not this one.
This one, yeah.
Okay,
So,
let you read it, please. Read it, please, first, and highlight or identify your justification from this paragraph. Yes.
yeah. However, online learning is also presents several challenges. Some students
Also
find it
presents,
difficult
not is. There is no is. You say also presents, okay?
presents. Okay.
Mm.
Online learning also presents several challenges. Some students find it difficult to stay motivated without direct contact with teachers and classmates. Others might experience technical problems, such as poor internet connections or lack of suitable devices. Furthermore, studying alone requires good time management skills and self-discipline. So these 2 points
Okay,
answer the
this is the
question.
point. So read the justification is studying alone requires
Yeah, studying alone requires good time management skills and also self-discipline.
yeah, okay. You should manage your time very well as you are studying online, okay? What happened during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the
Yeah.
students face a big problem for the presential courses or the on-site courses.
Such as, read the justification.
Yeah. Should I read the full paragraph then highlight the answer?
No. Just read the first, the lines where we can find the justification, okay?
Yeah, okay. So here we see that during the COVID-19 pandemic, millions of students worldwide were forced to continue their education online. Although many schools have now returned to traditional classroom teaching, the old model, online education remains. Yeah.
Okay,
So
good. So what happened? Your answer now, using your own words. What happened?
During the COVID-19 pandemic, the students were enforced to continue studying online.
Yeah,
But
good. That's it. That's it, yes.
okay.
So according to specialists, what role do teachers play? What roles do teachers play? Let's go and find the answers here. Justify, find the answer. Here is the paragraph. Teachers, can you read?
Yeah. Teachers continue to play a vital role in guiding students.
A vital role, vital, not vital, vital role.
Teachers continue
very
to play
important role. Yeah.
To play a vital role in guiding students, encouraging participation, and providing feedback. So
yes.
to answer the question, we have here three options. Guiding the students by providing the necessary information to simplify the course, to make it accessible. Then encouraging participation, to incite the students to participate, to follow the course.
Excellent.
And last one is to provide.
Okay, good answers. Okay. Okay, you have vocabulary in context, so you're gonna match the words with their meaning, okay? Who wants to answer? Let's choose another student. Thank you, Salahuddin, or okay. So someone else, okay? Matching exercise, match the word with their meaning. The words flexibility, discipline, access, and feedback. You have the meaning of each word. Khaled, continue. Yeah.
For those who want to answer Dr. Swart's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Swart, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos questions via le chat. Asnawi Muhaji Lahaji, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone. Asnawi Muhaji Lahaji, la parole est à vous, vous avez accès au micro.
Oui. Yeah. Hi everyone.
Match the
Answer the
words.
question.
The words are flexibility, discipline, access, and feedback. So if you can't see it very clearly, so I think that you are using your phone or I don't know. So we can choose another student.
Okay. Asnawi Muhaji Lahaji.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah,
Want
I'm
to
gonna
answer?
match. Yeah. So flexibility.
What is flexibility? Yeah.
Is ability to charge, isn't it?
Yeah, ability to change easily. Okay.
Change.
Discipline.
Easily.
What is discipline?
It's activity to count. I don't see.
I read so discipline is it ability to control your behavior or opportunity to use something or commands to help improvement? Which one?
A. Activity
A,
to control
good. So
your
means
behavior.
you control your behavior. Okay. Access. Is it an opportunity to use something or commands to help improvement?
C.
Good.
Opportunity.
Yeah. And feedback, the last one. Commands to help improvement. Good. Yeah. Okay, can you give us the main idea quickly of the text or the purpose of the text? A, to describe university. B, to explain the advantages and challenges of online learning. C, to discuss sports activity. And D, to advertise. A computer company. Find the main idea of the text. You choose one answer. Quickly, please. Quickly.
The main purpose of the text.
Yeah.
Like the text, I don't know the text.
Bon. Find the main idea of the text. You have 4 choices. Choose one. The main idea of the text, c'est-à-dire l'idée générale du texte. Ici, tu vas trouver l'idée générale du texte. Donc, vous choisissez une réponse. D'accord?
Okay.
Okay. Choose one.
I'm gonna describe a university.
Oh my God. Is the text talking about describing university?
Doctor, if you allow me, Asanawi, the text was the same as as your colleague read it earlier.
We're dealing with the same text, okay? Okay.
Oh, sorry, but I don't hear the text. That's why.
We have already read the text, okay? It talks about online learning, okay? So the right answer is which one, Hasnaimi? Which one? Which answer are you going to choose?
I'm gonna B, to explain the advantages and challenges of online.
Of online learning. Good, Hasnaimi. This is the right answer, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Here you have some answers, okay? We have already answered all the questions, okay? Voilà, okay. Okay. So now it's the end of today's session, the first session. Okay, so it's a question time. If you have any questions, so you can raise your hand. Okay.
For those who have questions about today's lecture, you can raise your hand or write down all your questions in the comment below. And of course, thank you, Dr. Swan, for all your efforts.
You are welcome.
Pour ceux qui ont des questions concernant le cours d'aujourd'hui, il faut que soit lever la main, soit les écrire via le chat pour que Dr. Souad puisse les répondre. Et merci infiniment à Dr. Souad pour tous ses efforts. Nous avons Solihi, we have Salahuddin, the mic is yours. You have the access right now to your microphone. Salahuddin, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Okay, thank you. I have one question. Because we have seen so much tips or strategy to understand the text and to read the text. So I just want to know if we can use those strategies when you read a book, because I think those two are different for me. So can we use this strategy if we read a book?
Yeah, good question, Salahuddin. Thank you for your question. My answer is, of course, you can. Okay, yes, you can. It's very important to use these strategies. Of course, I'm talking about the reading, okay, reading comprehension. So when reading an article, a book, okay, so you can use the same strategies. I mean, so you can, of course, highlight the keywords, of course, in the article. You highlight them, you explain, you find synonyms, okay, you identify the meaning, you explain the title, okay. All of these help you to understand, of course, what the text is about, the context. It's okay, Salahuddin?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. So for those who have questions about today's lecture, you can raise your hand or write down all your questions in the comment below. Pour ceux qui ont des questions concernant le cours d'aujourd'hui, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos questions via le chat. Let's move on to Khaled Isadani. Khaled Isadani, the mic is yours. You have now the access to your microphone. Khaled Isadani, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, I would like to thank Dr. Souad for this wonderful presentation. I got a lot of things from this. Thank you very much. And my question is, after these sessions, if we complete all the 5 sessions, are we eligible to pass the exam for the IGCSE?
Oh. Okay, Khaled, good question. You have a good question. Okay, so let's go back and talk about here the IG exam. Okay, as I said, so this exam is, of course, for secondary schools, students in secondary schools, in international schools with Cambridge system. Also, for students who want an international recognized qualification, for students who prepare for advanced programs such as A-level or the baccalaureate, international baccalaureate diploma, baccalaureat international, okay? Also for students who may later apply to universities in different countries. If you have the IG level, of course, this helps you to apply, to university in different countries. Okay, I'm talking about the international level. Also, homeschool students or private candidates. So, Khaled, okay, so here we can consider you as a private candidate or homeschool student, okay? You can register independently for the examination, okay? This is my answer. So I said, as you are a homeschool student and a private candidate, you can register independently for the examination. It's okay, Khaled?
All right, that's clear for me. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you are welcome. Okay, so I think that you can register at British Council or Cambridge, or okay, it depends on you. Okay.
All right, that's clear. Thank you very much again.
Yeah, you are
Wish you good day.
welcome, Khaled. You are welcome. Thank you for your question. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Donc, si vous avez des questions, vous les posez maintenant. I'm waiting for your questions about the IG exam and IG English as a second language, Cambridge English as a second language, okay?
No questions? Pas de questions? Tout est clair? Oh, I think that everything is clear. Je pense que tout est clair. À la fin du premier cours de la formation d'aujourd'hui, docteur, voulez-vous ajouter quelque chose? In the end of the first lecture of today's training course, would you like to add something?
So I would like to say thank you very much for all the participants who attended today's session. Thank you for you, Malik, and see you next time.
Thank you very much, Doctor, for all your effort. Thank you to all the participants for being here on the first course of today's training course. Be careful, everyone. It's not the end. We will see you next weekend at
the same time
on Thursday.
Yeah.
4 p.m. Saudi Arabia time. Thank you very much. See you the next weekend. Stay tuned to all the Midocean activities via Facebook page or our website, or even by following us on the WhatsApp group for the University Midocean University activities. Thank you all and wish you a good day. Merci pour votre présence. Attention, nous n'avons pas encore terminé notre formation. Nous verrons jeudi à 16h selon l'heure locale de l'Arabie Saoudite. Vous pouvez également suivre les dernières actualités concernant les séminaires, formations, ateliers, concours et inscriptions d'études de l'université sur Facebook, le groupe WhatsApp des activités étudiants ou encore le site. Merci à vous tous. On verra ça dans nos prochaines activités ou bien la semaine prochaine ou encore dans nos prochains liés aux formations telles que l'atelier de demain, analyse et présentation des données, l'apprentissage de langue arabe et son histoire, de la langue arabe et son histoire, l'art de la négociation et également le logiciel de résolution avancée et outils symboliques. Excellente fin de journée. Au revoir.